Hello friends. Now let us take up the training session 4 in our Java Feel Good web series. In this training session, I explained two concepts and three programs. The two concepts are very core concepts and many students do not have proper understanding over them and they purchase their confusion. That's why keenly follow them. And the first program, JFG-4, preparation and printing of complete biodata. In the previous training session, I have given simple biodata. It consists of only 3 items. Now it is a complete biodata with 10 items. This is the strategy. Practically understand. First take up simple task. Thereafter you extend it. Then you get your confidence is doubled to take up bigger task also. Obviously, but at any point of time, at any stage, you never fail. That point you understand. Thereafter, I explain concept, that is concept zone 6, understanding constructors. Actually, constructors are standardized initialized methods. Many students feel difficulty to understand them, but here very easily understand. Constructors are very important. Without using constructors, we cannot initialize objects. That's why you have to first understand the theory and thereafter implement that. Then only you can have a clear 100% understanding over that. Thereafter, one more concept, CZ7, instantiation of objects. Actually, from data types we create variables. In the same manner, from classes, class is a data type, user defined data type. From the class we create objects. So this process, a lot of confusion is there, no doubt about that. And 99% of books, they never explain behind scenes. Behind why it is made complicated. Suppose you see int age, you are able to understand easily. This is a data type, this is a variable, but this is also a user defined data type. From this objects we are creating. Actually, same model. This is a primitive data type and a primitive variable. This is user defined data type or data structure and the object created out of that. In order to get clarity over this, just 10 to 15 minutes explanation is required. Once you learn that, you start enjoying, you can get logical answers for the future questions. Understand? That's why you cannot find this concept anywhere, but I am explaining to you for your better understanding. Okay, thoroughly understand that. If you have any doubt, you never have any doubt, I am sure. But if you have any doubt, you can write to me, then I can provide the correct response for that. Next, JFG-5, preparation and printing of complete cash bill. Actually, in the previous training session, simple cash bill we made out, and now we are writing program to print complete cash bill. That means it consists of amount also. A complete cash bill we print, and finally, I am assigning a program, assignment program or weekly temperature report. One thing I am telling you, test and trust. Test to trust. Without testing, don't blindly believe that you learnt. So, periodically you test your knowledge. And one more thing, actually, spoon feeding, too much spoon feeding is poisonous. I am explaining everything bitwise and all that. If your brain tune up for that, it never take up any task on its own. It will not have an exercise. That's why after performing some program and you test your knowledge. For that purpose, weekly temperature report I am giving an assignment and you perform it on one. For that, what you require, everything I meticulously explain. Here, you adopt one temple steps model. Temple steps means you know that. Temple steps are like that. Some steps are there, 10 15 steps, or some steps. Thereafter, one platform is there. Here you test. Here you learn. Here you test. Okay. In this model, if you learn and all that, at every point of time, you test your knowledge and then you can go ahead.